I have 5 items in this video for which a RCB fan would go crazy for. What is up people, this is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I have something very exciting for y'all. If you are a RCB fan, this is a gem video for you guys. And if you know someone who is a RCB fan, just share this video after you watch it. So without wasting any of the time, let's start this video. I am known as the sneaker guy for a reason. So yes, we have 2 Puma sneakers here, 2 very crazy Puma sneakers here. Let's unbox the first one. This is RCB X Puma Palermo's. A full red leather upper sneaker with hints of suede on the toe guard, toe box, back heel, and that suede Puma puffed design side stripe on it. A full red upper with that gum bottom, and that details on this is crazy. And the best part is the RCB logo on the tongue of the sneaker. That is an insane detail. This sneaker matches the RCB jersey very well and their brand. Like, this is a full red upper sneaker like the RCB jersey, and it also has that golden branding on the sides, that Puma Palermo, and the Puma logo on the back heel in gold, because all the names and the number on the back of the shirt of the players is in gold, and that is a beautiful detail. And there is one more hidden detail on this pair which not everyone knows about. Let me just show you that. Whenever you get this Puma Palermo's in hand, you see this Puma Palermo branding, just lift that up. You will see that Royal Challengers Bangalore written there, and that is so crazy. And trust me, I was not really sure about the gum bottom with red, but this looks very beautiful. So this pair is decent in comfort, fits true to size, and the MRP on this pair is 799. That is 8,000 rupees. And you want to know another cool thing? You get that same exact Puma Palermo in this beautiful navy color as well. And I feel this is more interesting and has better character than that red RCB pair. This pair has all the exact same details, exact same materials, but in different colors. They have kept the Puma side stripe same as the red pair, and even this pair has that hidden detail to it, which makes the sneaker super exciting. Okay, I literally did forgot to show you guys the best detail. You get to see this golden metal lace tips on this laces, which has RCB written on one end and 2008 written on other. And I have 2 questions for the OG RCB fans. Why navy blue color? Another thing, why 2008 written here? If you're the OG RCB fan, you will answer that. We are done with sneakers. Now, let me show you something different. This is a Puma woven shirt in this very beautiful cream colorway. Still has that navy blue and red on the shoulders, that Puma logo on one side and RCB logo on the other. This fits so good and looks so good. Then we have this Puma X RCB stripper polo, which is my favorite. Just look at this, my god. The golden piping, the golden Puma logo, the golden RCB logo, and that huge RCB font in the center. Looks so good. I feel this is great for summers as well. And then we also have this Puma X RCB retro stripper tee, which is very clean, very classic, and that beautiful green colorway reminds me of a lot of RCB innings. This also has that huge RCB written in the center in gold, but the Puma logo and the RCB logo on the chest is in that very light pastel green. But overall, even this fits very good. But honestly, I was more excited about this too. Do let me know which colorway will you choose, and I've linked everything in the description. Go check it out. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Till then, peace.